welcome to my channel. This is Roxcyn on YouTube. If you enjoy my content, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And today is June 24th, 2020, Wednesday. And I have awesome news. You can now support my channel. You can download the browser called Brave on mobile or desktop and use it for 30 days, and it supports my channel. If you already use Brave, you can now go on my YouTube page as you're seeing now, or my Twitter page, and if you click the triangle, I'm verified. You can tip me in the app. Whoop, 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 whoop. So, I'm monetized, kinda, sort of. And this is a partnership, I guess. And I hope you all have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are. Goodbye, y'all. Link is in the description below. Check them out. Let me know what you think about the browser. Well, I am out, y'all. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day or night.